On the heels of criticisms over the government's handling of operations at the Bustamante Hospital for Children, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton is this evening blasting the management of the facility. The hospital was thrust into the spotlight following reports of a delayed corrective surgery for an 11-year-old girl due to poor conditions at the hospital. Amoy Harriet has this primetime news follow-up.
Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton at the opening of the Catherine Hall Health Centre in St. James on Friday.
You cannot be in a situation where you are upgrading and expanding, but it's not equating to a better quality of service.
He was speaking in light of the recent mishap at the Bustamante Hospital for Children in St. Andrew. An 11-year-old girl in need of surgery for scoliosis had her operation postponed because the operating theatre at the facility is not up to standard. The child was referred to the University Hospital of the West Indies, but even that came with challenges of its own. Now, opposition spokesman on health Dr. Alfred Dawes pointed fingers at the health ministry, describing the state of the public health sector as, quote, a symptom of a deeper systematic rot, end quote. But the health minister is turning those fingers to the management of the hospital.
We are less than efficient in our administration of service delivery, in this case in operating theaters, because so many of them cannot function at their optimal level, either because management is failing to put the necessary arrangements in place to keep them functional and to minimize downtime, or those who management have engaged, paying them money, issuing contracts, are failing to deliver.
Dr. Tufton says the ministry has been funding major upgrades in health institutions across the island, but he insists hospital management is not doing enough to maintain the facilities. He used the Savannah Lamar Hospital as an example.
Where in one section of the building, a brand new 15-ton air conditioning unit was installed a year ago, I am told. And since everybody vexed because I called them name, I'm not going to call the company name this time. Right? And after a year, I'm told by the technical people, it is still underperforming.
Now the health minister didn't stop there.
What it means is that we run a risk of not realizing the benefits of the sacrifices of the taxpayer who have given up in terms of priority based on the decisions of government to fix a system without the commensurate benefits of that system providing for them. It's not tenable. It's not acceptable. And my role as minister is to call it out when I see it.
As for the 11-year-old girl, the health minister previously declared that she will do her surgery, but no timeline has been provided. Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.